Okay, time for a grammar lesson with Big Daddy here, Colin. Titibinozi binga and donji and debinda was. I'm a member of Rolling River. I'm from Rolling River, First Nation. Okay. Gaawiin Ginwenzh ingii-waabamaasiin noongom. So what you're saying there is you haven't seen that person. You didn't see that person for long today. Notice that Ginwenzh is inside Gaawiin. But if you reverse the order of Ginwenzh and Gaawiin, if you see Ginwenzh Gaawiin ingii-waabamaasiin, that changes the meaning, because Ginwenzh is acting on the whole sentence, meaning you haven't seen that person in a long time. So once again, notice the first part. Gaawiin Ginwenzh ingii-waabamaasiin noongom. I haven't seen he or she for that long today. I didn't see him that long today. Meaning you only spent a bit of time with him that day. You only saw them for a brief while. So that's Gaawiin Ginwenzh ingii-waabamaasiin noongom. But if you're going to flip it around and say you haven't seen that person in a long time, you'd say Ginwenzh Gaawiin ingii-waabamaasiin. So that's the importance of word placement and how it affects sentences in our language. Always remember there's more to our language than just words when you're learning it. We have to focus on sentences also, not just learning words.